So we are at a DR Horton house here in Cadence. We are in Henderson, Las Vegas. It's a beautiful house. It's 3,700 square feet. It's a large home.
One of the things I love about this home is that it's a next generation home, which means that you have a separate entrance to a one bedroom, a full one bedroom with a bath, with a closet, also with a kitchenette, and you can enter into the main area of the home.
There is another bedroom downstairs with that next gen. So there's another bedroom, the next gen, and a full shower here downstairs as well. This home is $714,000. That's what it starts at as a new build. So right now we're gonna go inside and enjoy.
All right, so let's jump into the payment scenarios for this specific home. Based on a purchase price of $715,000, if we were to look at a 3% down payment, that total loan amount would be $693,550. And based on an interest rate of 7.25%, that would make that total payment $5,985. And your total cash to close, which includes $21,450 for the down payment, that total cash to close would be $43,386. And taking a look at our second scenario, which would be a 20% down payment option, that loan amount would be $572,000 based on an interest rate of 7%. That would make that total monthly payment $4,556. And with a down payment of $143,000, your total cash to close would be $163,720. Now, these are just two different scenarios for this property. If you wanted to run different scenarios on this home or any other home, feel free to reach back out to Bobby and myself. Back to you, Bobby.
I hope you enjoyed that video. This property is in Henderson and Cadence. So you do have all the amenities from the HOA of Cadence, the pool and the parks here as well.
One of the great things about this community is that there's only one HOA, which is the Cadence Master Plan community of $55.
And it also includes the maintenance out front where the sidewalk is. So if you guys have any questions, don't hesitate to reach out to us. We're here to help you in any way possible. And with that said, you guys make it a blessed day.